Hi, I'm Abby Johnston McGrath. I'm a third-year resident at Duke University.
Hi, my name is Abdelaziz Al-Ghamdi. I'm about to be a fourth-year medical student at King Saud University College of Medicine in Riyadh, the capital city of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Hi, my name is Megan Jenkins Turner, and I'm a recent graduate of the Texas College of Osteopathic Medicine.
I'm currently an anesthesiology resident in Houston, Texas.
Hi, my name is Sajila Chahat, and I am a final year medical student at Allama Iqbal Medical College, Lahore, in Pakistan.
I go to the University of Utah School of Medicine, which is in Utah, and I'm just finished my second year of medical school.
You've made it this far,
And you belong here.
You got this.
All right, you got this, guys.
You got this.